What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner's friendly tutorial on how to use the Odoo CRM. So first you need to head over to your Odoo's website and then you need to log in with your credentials. And after that, you just simply need to select the CRM. And after selecting the CRM, here you will be redirected to the homepage of the CRM. From here, you can just simply first stop your tour, or you can just create a new CRM by just naming the company. Let's say I'm naming this company, and after that, I can just import any contact or I can create one by just entering the name. As you can see, I have entered the name, and after adding the name, I can add the contact. And when I'm done, I'll just simply click on save to add the contact. And if I want to add the contact email or contact phone, I can edit that too. When I'm done, I'll just simply click on add to add it here in my dashboard. And after that, as you can see, I have just created a new opportunity for test once. And this is the test once opportunity. From here, I can just read it and then I can grab all the information from here. When I click on qualified here, the opportunities are there in the qualified section. Which opportunities are qualified, they are dragged into the qualified section, and then the same thing in the proportion. And when the opportunity is done, it is dragged into the want section. And if I want to send a message, I'll click on send message, and then I can send a message. And when I come back to the CRM's homepage, here, as you can see on the right side, we have a few more icons, which are the Kanbans, the list, the calendar, the pivot, and the graph, the location, and the activity. Let's say this is the Kanban icon, or this is the Kanban's dashboard. And when I click on this list, this dashboard appears as a list. When I click on calendar, this appears as a calendar to me, and then a new calendar will open. So from here, I can schedule all my meetings and my upcoming tasks. And when I click on pivot here, as you can see, it has been converted into the pivots dashboard. When I click on graph here, it shows me as my graph. Like basically it shows all the opportunities that I've won in graphs. And when I click on this map here, it shows me the map of my opportunities. And when I click on this timeline here, it shows me all my activities. And let's say if I want to schedule an activity, I'll click on schedule activity, and then I can just schedule an activity and then save it. And as you can see, the activity has been added. And here are some more tools, which are sales. When I click on sales here, there are a few options like my pipelines, my activities, the teams, and the customers. When I click on my pipeline here, I can see all my pipelines and my opportunities. When I click on my activities here, I can see all the recent activities that I have performed. When I click on teams here, I can see all the team members here reporting in my project. When I click on customers here, I can see all the customers here in my organization. And when I go over to the reporting and I click on forecast here, I can see all the opportunities and the forecast of my reports or my company's reports. And I can also generate new leads and I can create a new opportunity from here too. And when I click on pipeline, here is the same thing. I can see the pipeline in different forms. When I click on leads here, I can see all my leads here in through the graph forms. When I click on activities here, again, I can see all my activities. When I click on configuration and then click on settings, this will open the CRM settings wherein I can just simply customize and edit the settings according to my vision requirement. And when I click on sales teams here, these are the sales teams that are listed here, or like all the members in the sales team. And under the activities, you have the activity types, like the types of activities that you have in your organization currently. When I click on activity plans, here you can see all the lead activity plans that you have generated or you have created. And when you click on pipeline in the tags, you can see all the tags that you have registered here in the Odoo CRM. When you click on lost reasons, here you can see all the reasoning, like if someone's facing any problems, they can describe their problems here. When you click on lead generation, here you have the option to lead mining request. Click on this once, and then you can create a new lead mining request by just clicking on this new. And after that, you just simply need to choose how many leads would you like, and with the companies and their contacts and the countries you want to select. And after that, you just need to select the industries like the retailing industries and the media industries. And when you are done, just simply click on this done icon. or you can just simply click on the submit button, but some fields are still invalid. So I'll just simply fill it and then I'll submit it. And after submitting, as you can see, my new lead mining request has been created here, and it has sent the opportunity to these three companies. And after that, I can also configure many multiple settings. And on the right side at the top, you can see this profile. When I click on this, I can open my profile. I can change it to the dark mode. When I turn this toggle on, as you can see, this is loading a bit. And then now, as you can see, this has been changed to the dark mode. And after that, here I have multiple options like my preferences, my databases, and my subscription. When I click on my databases from here, I can see all my databases by just confirming my email so that I can provide a legitimate reason that I am the legitimate person. No one else is accessing my Odoo CRM. When I click on my subscription, here it will open all the subscriptions that I have purchased for Odoo or from the Odoo software. So this was a basic beginner-friendly tutorial on how you can just use the Odoo CRM, and this was for all beginners. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.